guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'll be showing you how to make this easy, quick, tasty, delicious pilau. So pilau is an African dish, East African dish. It's the life of any party in Africa. Actually, it is not a party without pilau. So let's get started. So the first step is to prepare all your ingredients. You're gonna have 1 cup of pre-cooked peas, 1 cup of shredded onions, 8 cloves of garlic, and a mix of pilau masalas. The list of the masala spices will be in the description box below. Also, we're gonna have 400 grams of chicken, about 5 medium potatoes chopped in half, and about 3 cups of rice. Wash your rice well to remove the starch. In a large pan, you're gonna pour about 5 tablespoons of oil in medium to high heat. Once your oil is ready, put in the onions and slowly saute them till they're slightly brown. Another great tip, guys, you want to make sure you're cooking this dish in a larger pan than you would use, because you want to make sure your rice has enough space to cook well and it's not soggy. Once the onions are done, add in the minced garlic. Make sure you're using low heat, very low heat, because you don't want your garlic to burn or your onions to burn. We don't want burnt garlic or burnt onions in our pilau. After your onions and garlic are looking beautiful, then you can go ahead and add in your potatoes. It's very easy to have potatoes sticking at the bottom of your pan, so make sure you're not walking away and stirring them continuously. And also you can add a pinch of salt if you want, but it's very easy to oversalt potatoes, so make sure you're adding just a pinch of salt. Once the potatoes are looking good, you can throw in all your dry spices. Please be sure to check the description box below. I'll have all the ingredients of the spices listed down. Next, you're gonna add in our chicken and make sure you mix this well, because the chicken has to absorb all the flavor. So after this, you're gonna add 3 tablespoons of tomato paste. Tomato paste just helps elevate the flavors in a dish and gives the dish that extra nudge, and it's totally optional. So if you don't have it, you can go ahead and skip this. So then you're gonna add in a bit of chicken stock or chicken broth, or about 1 cup of water, just so you can make sure that your spices do not burn and your potatoes also grasp all that flavor. You're gonna leave in the potatoes to sink into this mixture for about 1 minute, and then after this you're gonna add in your washed rice. The rice should be washed until the water has run clear, and this will just help the rice cook a bit better. Also, once the starch is removed from the rice, then the rice can definitely cook much better. So throw in a couple of peas which are pre-cooked. Mine were frozen, so you could use the frozen mix if you have the frozen, but if you have the natural peas, go ahead, pre-cook them, then add them in. You're gonna add in 4 cups of hot water, and make sure your water is hot so that your rice can easily cook without getting soggy. So after you've added in your hot water, then you're gonna cover your pan and make sure you reduce the heat. If you cook this rice on high heat, your spices will burn first without the rice cooking. So you need to make sure you reduce the heat. The heat must be at a low temperature, guys. This is very important. After giving it a little bit of a mix and tasting, see if the salt is okay. Adjust the salt if you need to. You're gonna cover your pan and leave it alone for about 1 hour. Yes, don't be tempted to touch it. Once you mix it, then it's gonna get soggy. You definitely don't want soggy rice, guys, so make sure you're not touching it. Just leave it alone for about 1 hour. After the 1 hour is done, your pilau should be ready. The aroma in the house was enough to spike the neighbors' curiosity, you guys. This pilau was so simple, really quick, and really delicious, you guys. You should try it. So pilau is served with a bit of salad, could be cabbage or just tomato and onions, and a banana. Make sure you have a banana. There is no pilau without a banana, you guys. So anyways, thank you for watching. This was the quickest pilau I've ever made. Please be sure to like, share, subscribe, and definitely hit that notification bell below. Till next time, you guys. Thank you for watching again. Bye bye.